Hi everyone, my name is Harish Kamath. I'm back again. Happy New Year to everyone. Today I have another question which is thrown at me. Let me try to answer that. There are a lot of ServiceDesk products which are available in the market today. How different are we? Why should you choose Wolken as a product? We know it's essential to have easy to use software that navigates from one feature to another. That's exactly what you get in Wolken. Don't know how to code? That's all right, because we have built a product that can be customized by the individuals who do not know how to code, meaning from low to no code. This will give you all the power that is needed for you to tweak as per your liking. We help to save on your support cost. You do not need to have a dedicated support team to navigate the service desk. There is a 24/7 Wolken support team that comes as part of the deal. We'll take you live with all your requirements and specifications in a matter of weeks. That's right. The product is ready in no time, or I would say in a record time that no one else can match. When your business scales, we scale your service desk effortlessly and provide the backend support so that you can focus on your business growth. What does this mean exactly? It means we focus on delivering personalized and flexible experiences like no one else in the market. Request a demo of our service desk now.